Tesla's new facilities, supply chain issues, and COVID lockdowns have cost billions of dollars in losses. As a result, CEO Elon Musk recently mentioned bankruptcy as a possibility. Want to know more about it? Then make sure to stay tuned until the end. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla Inc., stated in an interview that the company's new car factories in Texas and Berlin are losing billions of dollars as they struggle to increase output due to a battery shortage and problems with China's ports. Right now, the factories in Berlin and Austin are both enormous money furnaces. Okay, it sounds like money's on fire and makes a huge roaring noise. In an interview with Tesla owners of Silicon Valley, the group recognized by Tesla, Musk made the statement on May 31st in Austin, Texas. The final segment of the club's three-part interview with Musk was made public on Wednesday. Due to difficulties ramping up production of its latest 4680 batteries and the fact that the tools needed to create its traditional 2170 batteries are locked in port in China, Musk claimed Tesla's Texas factory only produces a tiny number of cars. He added that it needs a lot of care, but everything will be rectified. He claimed that because it first relied on conventional 2170 batteries for the automobiles made there. The Berlin factory is in a somewhat better situation. The COVID-19 related closures in Shanghai, according to him, were extremely very difficult. According to him, the stoppage had an impact on Tesla's California plant, which employs some Chinese-made auto parts, as well as its Shanghai factory, which produces cars. According to an internal letter seen by Reuters, Tesla intends to halt the majority of production at its Shanghai plant during the first 2 weeks of July in order to work on an update to the facility that'll increase output. We're still in the midst of an awful nightmare of supply disruptions that have occurred over the last 2 years, according to Musk. Tesla's top priority, he claims, is how do we keep the factories running so we can pay employees and avoid going bankrupt. Early this month, Musk declared that the firm needed to reduce workers by approximately 10% and halt all hiring worldwide due to his very awful feeling about the state of the economy. He stated earlier this week that Tesla would reduce its salaried workforce by 10% over the course of 3 months. Production at Tesla's Texas and Berlin factories, both of which are essential to the company's expansion plans, began earlier this year. Tesla's Cybertruck electric pickup truck production, which has been delayed, is anticipated to begin in the middle of 2023, according to Musk. The stock of the electric vehicle manufacturer is expected to have its worst first half ever, falling by 35%, more than tripling the S&P 500 index's 20% drop. The loss of $350 billion in market value, however, according to analysts and investors, presents a purchasing opportunity rather than reduces Tesla's appeal to Wall Street. According to Blankshine Wealth Management's chief investment officer, Robert Schein, Tesla was perfectly priced 6 months ago, but now it appears to be a highly appealing entry point for long-term investors. Like the rest of the auto industry, the Elon Musk-led company is experiencing supply chain issues and rising raw material costs. The prospect of slowing global economy is another worry for businesses like Tesla, which depend on expansion. According to Gene Munster, a former technology analyst who is now a managing partner at the venture capital company Loop Ventures, Tesla is not immune to everything that's going on in the macro. But Musk's aggressive pursuit of the social media site Twitter Inc., though, has given Tesla's predicament a unique twist. Since April 4th, when Musk revealed that he had acquired a 9.2% interest in Twitter, making him the company's largest shareholder, and a week after he made hints about his desire to disrupt the social media sector, the stock has fallen by 37%. After that, he agreed to buy Twitter for $54.20 a share, but negotiations have continued ever since. Tesla is now trading for a little less than $700 because some investors are concerned that Musk will be distracted by the Twitter proposal. However, Shane is certain that it'll reach $1,000 during the next 12 months as supply issues ease. The business continues to strengthen its balance sheet, and the Musk-Twitter takeover saga concludes, either successfully or not. Despite this, Tesla's stock price has fared better than that of conventional automakers like General Motors Company and Ford Motor Company, whose prices have plunged by 45% and 43% respectively in 2022. Tesla's stock is currently trading at close to its lowest level since mid-2020, or at 59 times projected earnings. That ratio is roughly 5 times for GM and about 6 times for Ford. Investors said Tesla's dominance in the production and sale of electric vehicles shows it'll keep a sizable market share even as additional competition appears. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content. See you in the next video.